Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll talk about how to stop Instagram notifications. So, are you tired of constantly receiving notifications from Instagram? Maybe you're getting too many notifications from a particular person or group. Or maybe you just want to take a break from the constant stream of updates. Whatever the reason, it's easy to stop Instagram notifications. Here's 5 steps to do it. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping on the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Second, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen. Third, tap on Settings. Fourth, tap on Push Notifications. Fifth, from here, you can choose to turn off all push notifications, or you can customize your notifications by selecting specific types of notifications that you do or don't want to receive. It's that easy. You can always turn your notifications back on by following the same steps and toggling the switch back to on. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you now feel more in control of your Instagram notifications. Thanks for watching.